Hi YouTubers, JDCap26 here, just do the repair and tips. And we've got this pure water filter. And the top O-ring here sometimes leaks, so let's turn it on. You put this down like that and see how it's leaking right here. What you want to do is turn it off. And you want to unscrew this top part. Okay, it'll be tough to do because you know how tight these are. Unscrew this. Okay. It's going to take some time here to do this, so please be patient. So, take this cap off. And I should have done it like this so you guys can see. Okay. And you see this cap here? See the O-ring? How loose it is? Like that. It's coming out of the thing here. Okay. That's due to warm water. Sometimes people put warm water on by mistake, and then the cold water. So what you want to do is you want to remove this O-ring, okay, and then take silicone, clear silicone, dry this all up, remove this O-ring, clear silicone all the way around it, set it to the side and let it dry. Don't do the threads, just in through here, so you make a new gasket that goes around so you can seal the leak. I'm going to continue with this video on how to fix this filter. So this is where you have to fix this O-ring right here, and since it's too big we have to cut it. We're going to cut it, okay, put it down like that. This is the housing, and take some silicone caulking and we're going to fill in the gap around the where that O-ring goes, okay, as such. See if I can turn the ring, okay. Then take the O-ring and put it in the groove and bring it around like so. It's gonna be gooey. You got some extra there. Get a rag here. Yeah, not everybody will want to do this fix, and I can understand that. So, got a little extra hanging here, and cut it. Well, it wants to move on me. Hang on. Okay. Get it like that. So it matches up. And got her hands all full of stuff here. So take your finger, go around, get the extra, wipe it on a towel. Like I said, not everybody's going to want to do this fix, but this is a good fix. So you just let it dry, let it skin over for a couple hours, even overnight, and then put it back together onto the housing with the filter. So I hope that helps you. I hope you have a good day, and thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe, ring the little bell, and we'll see you.